Hey guys, it's Katie from S&B, and today I'm going to be installing our cold air intake kit part number 75-5084 for the 2007 to 2011 3.8 liter Jeep Wrangler. So let's get started. To start off, make sure that the ignition is off and the parking brake's engaged, and then disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. Next, we're going to remove the IET sensor by lifting up the red locking tab, pushing down and pulling out. Loosen the clamp attached to the stock airbox and the throttle body, and then detach the crankcase hose from the stock airbox. After all that, you should be good to go to remove the stock intake from the vehicle. So now it's time to get your new S&B intake ready to install. So we're going to start off by installing the silicone tube seal onto the airbox. We're going to install this bracket onto the airbox, but first we're going to insert this grommet to the bottom of it. Once the grommet's installed and the bracket's in place, you're going to secure it down using this screw, but don't forget to use the provided Loctite. Now you're going to take the other grommet and install it onto the new intake tube. Go grab your stock kit so you can remove the IET sensor and get ready to insert it on your new tube. When installing the IET sensor into your new intake tube, just make sure that it's all the way in. This kit allows you to customize your airflow by giving you 3 configurations. To start, you can install our signature large clear lid, but if you decide to go this route, do not install the silicone box plug. Your next 2 options are installing the silicone hood seal with or without the silicone box plug. For maximum airflow, you're going to want to leave the box plug off. Remove the bolt from the side of the airbox tray. Install the S&B airbox into the grommets on the airbox tray. Reinstall the bolt that you took off earlier back into the tray. Grab the coupler and the 2 clamps and install it on the throttle body. Once the coupler is secure on the throttle body, tighten down the rear clamp. Feed the intake tube into the airbox and the coupler. Make sure that the clamps are secure on the throttle body. Now it's time to install your filter. So for this video, we're going to use the cotton cleanable, but just remember that you always have the option to use the dry extendable. Once the filter is installed, tighten the clamp down. Don't forget to reinstall the crankcase hose and tighten it down with the provided hose clamp. Reattach the IET sensor and secure the locking tab. Time to install the lid. Just first peel off that protective film. Now grab that edge trim and put it around the lid. Because we decided to install our signature large clear lid, we're going to use the 4 provided black screws. If you decided to install the hood seal, you're going to go ahead and use the 4 provided stainless steel screws. Make sure all the screws are secure, but don't over tighten. Don't forget about your battery. You're going to want to reconnect the negative terminal. We provide you with this high temp decal with all of your intake's important information. Go ahead and place that on the frame close to the intake. Alright, so that's it. So with this configuration, you're going to get a 66.64% increase in airflow over stock with an efficiency rating of 99.51%. So if you have any other questions or you just want to know more, you can check it out on our website, sbfilters.com, and I'll see you next time.